The table report can be found under the facility service on the platform. With table report, you can view facility properties and consumption data side by side. The table report supports presenting consumption data on a yearly and monthly basis. A similar table presentation format is used for displaying information in multiple sections on the platform, but some features are not available in all of them. Quantities showed in the table and additional settings are selected from the menus on the left sidebar. These are discussed in more detail in the facility report video. In addition to consumption data, you can add, for example, facility information, properties, or quantities of primary meters to the table using the Columns button. Only the selections that have data from at least one facility are displayed in the selections. Once you have added properties or other facility information to the table, you can group the table based on data on any column. Grouping is done by dragging the column header to the grouping area above the table. You can do the grouping by one or more column headers. Delete the groupings by clicking the X on the grouping header. Other basic table functions include sorting and filtering. Clicking on a column header will sort the table based on that column, either in descending or ascending order. You can use the filter function by clicking the filter button in the column header row. The available filters depend on the column type. After defining a filter condition, activate it with the filter button. When a filter is applied, the color of the filter button changes to green. You can clear applied filters for individual columns by opening the filter and clicking the Clear button. The sum of numeric columns in the table is presented at the bottom row of the table. If rows are removed from the table through filtering or based on comparability, the sum is recalculated. Additionally, individual rows can be excluded from comparison by clicking the Selection button on each row. This button clears the values in the row and excludes them from calculations in the table. Calculations are always done column by column. If groupings have been made in the table, calculations are also performed for grouped facilities.